I'm not Bob the Builder, so. Hey little mamas, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, hey girl, my name is eri.reneee. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So girl, let's get into it. Welcome back to another vlog. So this is going to be a little weekly vlog. I think I'm going to start doing these now on my channel. I don't know for sure, but I really do want to, so we're just testing to see, you know, how these vlogs do. So I just made my bed, y'all. It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I have just been relaxing, chilling, because it's Sunday. It's just like a chill vibe today. And it's raining outside, so that definitely like caught me lazy this morning. Like girl, I didn't want to do anything, so I just been chillaxing. I just took my shower, and girl, I was using this Febreze on my bed. I talked about this in my last video, so if y'all haven't seen it, make sure to check it out. Well, this smells so good, girl. So this is like becoming my go-to. So yeah, girl, like I said, today is Sunday, so it's like kind of a chill day. So today I want to make some chicken wings, but I want to put them in the air fryer. Let me show y'all my air fryer. It's like a toaster slash air fryer. So let me show y'all. So this is what I have right here. I got this actually from Walmart. So it has like the little option to do it as an air fryer. But girl, we're gonna try to make some chicken wings. So I got some fresh cut chicken wings, just defrosting. It's been about like 2 hours since I had them out. And let me show y'all the sauce that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna just air fry the chicken, right? So I'm gonna air fry it, and then I'm gonna take it out, and then I'm gonna put this sauce on it. So this, I was talking about this in my last video too, y'all, my last vlog. This is the chili pepper, soy, and ginger sauce from Buffalo Wild Wings. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. And I hope it tastes good, honey, because I'm not the best cook. I'm still learning. But we're gonna try to get this right, because that sounds really good to me. So I hope that it will sound good. So I hope that it will taste good. But I need to figure out how to do this air fryer. I'm gonna do that a little later on. That's gonna probably be for like dinner. So yeah, girl, so I'm about to just, I guess, relax, watch a movie, and call it a day. So yeah, this is how my Sunday is going, y'all. I'm about to just chill out. I love my plant. Like, my plant is so cute. I just love it. But yeah, girl, I'm gonna see y'all a little later, probably when I start like cooking. So yeah, I'll see y'all. Alright, y'all, so I just got finished cleaning my chicken. So now I'm about to put it in the air fryer, and I hope it goes right. So I found this little piece that goes in there. So this goes right here, and then this goes, it's supposed to go on top, like that, like this. Okay, so I'm about to spray my little air fryer with some spray so it won't stick. So we about to spray it down. And then after it gets finished cooking, it says about 15 minutes, but I feel like, I don't know. I'm going to just have to keep double checking, because I don't want no raw chicken. So, yeah, we're just going to see what it do. Like, I'm just so scared. So, yeah, let's get started.
Curly hair, and he got it by wearing a shower cap for 2 hours.
Okay, y'all, so I just got finished with the chicken. So it took like maybe like 30 to 45 minutes, to be honest, because I like mine to be a little bit crispy. But this is how it's looking. It's not the best presentation, but girl, I'm excited to try these. I tasted one without the sauce on it. It was so good. So yeah, I'm gonna taste it on here for y'all, and let's see if it's popping with the sauce or not. I like my flats. I wish I would have had like all flats. I'm gonna try a flat because that's like my favorite part of the chicken, eating flats. So yeah, let's see. This is so good. This is real spicy, but that's what I like though. Yeah, this is good. Hey girl, so it's a little bit later and I got a package. So I already know what this is, y'all. I had ordered some Skims. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all because by the time my Skims haul comes out, this video is not, yeah, that video is gonna come out before this vlog. So yeah, let's open her up, girl. Skims had a sale, honey. What was that? Well, I think it was 50% off everything. Was it 50% off? I think it was. Girl, I had to hop on that. But I didn't get that much stuff, y'all, because like a lot of the things that I wanted, like in the colors that I wanted, they did not have it in my size. It was so annoying. So their website had crashed, y'all. Because this is like the biggest sale they ever had. Like this is better than like Black Friday. So yeah, everything was 50% off. So let me show y'all what I got. And let me show y'all how it looks. So this is how it looks. If y'all have never ordered Skims, this is how it looks in the packaging. Like this. Yeah, I love Skims. It's so comfortable, but they're just so, like, in my opinion, they're expensive, but it's honestly worth it. But I can't see myself spending $300-400 on some loungewear. I mean, it really is worth it because their quality is A1, girl. So yeah, if I can get me some Skims, I will get it. And this was the time to get it because they had a huge sale. So let's open her up. So what is this? Oh, I got a free, I think this came if you like ordered a certain amount of stuff. So they gave me like a free little pouch, which I probably won't use, but let me see how it's looking. Okay, so this is like this can be like maybe like a little makeup pouch. This is cute though. I just love her logo. Like it's just so cute. Y'all see that? So this is just a little black little pouch. And then let's get into the real tea. So I just love how her stuff is. Like this is just so cute. So let's open up the first thing. So I had ordered, what is this? Okay, so this is, girl, let me read because I don't even remember. The cotton jersey body shorts. And girl, this was only $10.99. Like, I don't know what the usual price of this is because I don't have it. But girl, let me see if it says it on here. No, it doesn't say. But this was $10.99. Like girl, $10.99 from Skims. Like I had to cop. So I really originally wanted to get the I think they had like a nude color, but they didn't have my size. Like literally the colors that I really wanted, they did not have your girl's size. So I ended up just settling for this white, but I just really didn't want to get the cream because I felt like it would get dirty. But girl, where am I going? So honestly, it's gonna be cool. So yeah, I got a size large. Everything that I'm gonna be showing you all, I got a size large. So this is how this looks right here. It's like a short. If y'all want to see how these look, make sure to check out my Skims haul video. I'm going to have a link down below because that video is going to come out before this. So yeah, I got these. I think this is such a cute little loungewear that I can just wear around the house. I can wear it to bed. It's just so cute. And it's very stretchy. So honestly, yeah, it's very stretchy. So what's the next thing that I got? Her packaging is so cute. Okay, so this is the t-shirt to go with the shorts. But I can honestly wear this. I can wear this with the shorts or I can wear this with the outfit. Like, it doesn't have to just be with that. So this is called the cotton. This is called the cotton jersey t-shirt. And this was $23.99. Girl, so super stretchy. And the colors of these is called marble. So I got a size large in this. This is so cute. It's just like the basics is just like, it's me, honey. I just love basic stuff like this. What else I got? Oh girl, so what is this? I think I know what this is. Okay, so I got me some masks. And girl, like if I would have seen the masks back then, like when they first came out, I probably wouldn't have got them. But being I get influenced by people, I see my girl Aaliyah on here on YouTube, Aaliyah's Face, wear these masks. And I said, girl, these are cute, okay? And I want to get them. So they look like this. And it's a 5-pack. So these were, how much were these? So the masks were $15.99, but it comes with 5 of them. So I thought that's a pretty good deal. I just think this color is so cute. This is in the color Clay. Let me put it on. Let me sanitize. Let me sanitize my mask right quick. Period. These are super stretchy. These are so cute to me. I just think this is so cute. Like, period. Have my skin mask on. Oh yes, this is so cute, y'all. I love this. So yeah, I'm gonna take these and I'll probably put them like in a drawer somewhere, because like I hate when I be forgetting my mask. So I want to have one in my car. I want to have one in my house in my drawers, just in case I ever forget to get a mask. It'll be right there, somewhere easy to get. So the next thing that I got, what is this? What is this? Oh girl, I know what this is. Okay, so this is, let me pull it up. This is the cotton jersey t-shirt bodysuit. Girl, I have never owned a bodysuit ever in my life. This was $30.99. Girl, if I'm not mistaken, I feel like her bodysuits are like $50-something, I think. Like, if I'm not mistaken. Like, her bodysuits are kind of up there. So this is in the color Deep Sea, and it looks like this. This is so cute, girl. Like, this color is giving. It's giving me very much like a dark, like olive green color. Or a dark, like charcoal, like a dark charcoal color. I don't know if it's really showing up on the camera, but this is so freaking cute. And then she also had some, so this is a thong. So yeah, this is a thong bodysuit. It's super stretchy, of course. Her stuff, like, is just such good quality. Like, Kim, she did it with this, okay? I really wish I would have got, another bodysuit, but they didn't have like the colors that I wanted or the sizes that I needed, because I was gonna get me a black one, like a I think it was like a mid sleeve, like it came like right here, but girl, they didn't have my size, so I couldn't get it. But yeah, this is really cute. Ooh, this will look so cute with like some really cute jeans. Girl, this is so cute. I cannot wait to get dressed up and go somewhere. Like, where am I going? I don't know, but this is so cute. So I might honestly give me some more bodysuits once I try this on. If I like it, honey, I'm definitely getting some more. Okay, so this is the last thing I got, y'all. So I think this is a t-shirt. Let me see. This is the Soft Lounge Tank, and this is in the color Copper. Let's see how this is looking. And this was $20.99. Like, girl. Ooh, I should have got more of these. Okay, honestly, I should have got more of these, because yeah, I'm definitely loving how this feels. It's like so smooth, like, ooh, I really like this. I love how this feels. Oh, I think it's so cute. Like, on the outside, it has her logo on there. Y'all see that? Camera focus, baby. It's like a matching bottom to go with this, but they didn't have my size. Like, one of these, I can't remember, but I was trying to find like the matching bottom, and they did not have my size, girl. I was so hurt. But this is so cute. Like, this is my color scheme. Like, the olive greens, the browns, the grays. This is so freaking cute. I can't wait to wear it. This is so cute. Period. I got me some more Skims. I don't know how to act, because I really do love Skims. When I seen that sale, baby, I hopped on that website so quick. But girl, Kim handled it, honey. She handled it, because it was like messing up at first and everybody was complaining. But girl, she got a bag running and right. And yeah, they had more stuff in stock than I thought, to be honest. Like, because yeah, I got on the website maybe like 2 hours later after like the sale was announced. So yeah, girl, I am so excited. I can't wait to do my haul so y'all can really see how it looks on the body. Yeah, these are so cute. So that is all the things that I got from Skims, girl. So yeah, I think I'm about to call it a night. And I'll probably talk to y'all tomorrow. Because yeah, tomorrow's going to be a filming day. Because I have like so much stuff coming in the mail tomorrow and I need to film. So yeah, girl, I'll catch y'all a little later. Hey y'all, so it's like a couple days later. It's been a little minute. I think the last time I talked to y'all, I was talking about, I think I was making my wings. Them wings was blessing, okay? They were so good. So yeah, now it's the end of the day. I'm at home. I'm about to go ahead and try to put this little desk up for my computer, because I work from home. But yeah, I've been sitting up here working right here. It's been like kind of uncomfortable. So I finally got me a little desk. So I'm about to put that up, and hopefully it won't be too hard. Hopefully I can just like use like my butter knife, because your girl don't have no screwdrivers. I ain't got nothing like that. So we're about to see what we can do with just a butter knife. So yeah, I actually got this from Target. Not Target, I'm tripping. I got this from Walmart, and it was only like $23 or something real cheap, girl, because I honestly do not care. As long as it just serves the purpose of me having my computer on there, it's sturdy, I don't care. So we about to see how this is. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. I don't know if I want to put it in this area right here, or do I want to put it over there, like in the corner. The reason why I say right here, because I feel like I kind of want to get a little kitchen nook right there. Girl, I don't know. Okay, so let me go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and try to put this together. Yeah. So I don't think I'm going to be able to put this together because, girl, I thought this was like a real cheap little thing, like plastic little desk, and this is wood, and it looks a little bit too difficult for me, honey. I'm not Bob the Builder, so yeah, I might have to have my daddy do this, or yeah, because it has screws, and if I use a butter knife, it is not going to be sturdy. I need like an actual like screwdriver, so that thing could be tight. Oh my god, I'm so annoyed. Girl, yeah, you got all this. Who know how to do this? I don't know how to do all that now. Girl. Oh my god. They tried it. Girl, I thought I was getting a little plastic little desk that I could just like easily put together. They said, ma'am. We're gonna give you the hardest thing, okay? It says you need a rubber mallet, what I don't have. A screwdriver, don't have. So yeah, let me call my daddy, honey, because I can't put this together. Alright, y'all, so okay. Let me get stuff together so I can figure out what I'm gonna be doing. So I'll see y'all in a little bit.